Welcome to Shed Tune, and we're at Sturgate Straight, which is a bit of a fun sprint, and we're just going to go on a track walk to see, well, what we can ride and what we can't ride.
You looking forward to going down there?
It'll be a challenge, that's for sure.
Blacksmith.
So we're down at the quarter-mile marker, which is these flags here and here. The surface isn't too bad, looks alright to me, and there's plenty of run out, which is really important.
Go on, Russ, start your quarter mile back. Go. I think he's forgotten the Zimmer.
So as I said earlier, we're at Sturgate Straight, or as it should be known, Sturgate Airfield. And I thought I'd show you a little bit of history about this airfield. Some interesting stuff. So it's located between the small village of Upton and Heapham. And Sturgate was one of the last batches of airfields built in the World War II, constructed in 1943 and then opened in 1944, and it was what they called a standard A-class runway. And as you can see from this picture, that means it's literally the shape of an A. And where we were today was in this area, and the start line was here and the finish line was here. So I'll insert another picture now of today's map over the top of this, and you can see that what's left of the airfield is tiny today compared with when it was first built for World War II. So interestingly, as it says here, when it was opened, it was under control of Hemswell and Group 1 Bomber Command, and you also had some of the American Air Force there, but it never actually flew any active missions. There were Avro Lancasters, and then I suppose it just became a private airfield, and that's probably where we are today. There you go, look, USAF, the Republic F-84 Thunderstreak, and also the C-47 Skytrain. And then in 1964, it closed and was sold off, and that's where we are today. So let's get back to the airfield. Well, it's getting busy now. Loads of cars, loads of people. I think we're going to be running again in a minute. going for some reason. So we'll do the clutch first, and then we'll have a look at other things. Right, here we go, visors down this time, which I forgot last time. See if we can launch without a draggy clutch. Right, we'll do a practice start. That was better. Dom's making the tea while no one's looking. Make sure you do it properly. Well, look, more bikes have turned up, some big boys this time. Right, here we go again. More little changes. Try and get it cleared out. See if it runs through cleaner now. Okay, here we go. Well, that didn't work either. Well, what a day. We've done some testing. We've had some help from Eric, I've had help from Dom, I've had help from Mike, I've had help from just about everyone here. And we still ain't got it right. But if you ever get the chance, you should come here, because 20 quid for the whole day, you can run a quarter of a mile. Admittedly it's not timed, but if you want to test stuff you can. If you've got a car and you want to go fast, this is the place to go.
But make sure if you go for the hot roast, go before 1:30, because they pack up and go.
Exactly.
Don't go to the chippy down the road, because that shuts at 1:30 as well.
Yeah, so you've heard it here first. Anyway, thanks very much for being with us, for watching, supporting the channel. Say bye, Dom.
Bye, Dom.
Say bye, Eric.
Bye.
See you next time. Cheers.
Yeah.
Bye.